It's 4:30 in the morning. The lights are not working for some reason, but we're up so early because we're going to go to a place on the other side of Metro Manila called Taranac, which is in Tanay Rizal. We're going to hike up a mountain and we're going to check out some waterfalls. And I'm still pretty much asleep. But do I look like a ghost with this flashlight in my face? Ooh. Yeah, sorry, I'm pretty tired. Hi, I'm Jeff, and I'm legally blind. But I'm not gonna let that stop me. I'm pretty excited about today. It's gonna take a few hours to get there. First, we're going to ride in a Jeep, and then we have to take a tricycle. And I'm so excited that Raleigh is back. I love going with this guy because he's so full of knowledge. He always teaches me about history when he comes. And part of his family too. Perry.
Hi.
And Charm, who's really shy. It's gonna be fun. Took the first Jeep already. We're in Marikina City right now. We have to transfer, get another Jeep. But Marikina City, it's the cleanest city in the Philippines, literally. There's seriously no trash anywhere. It's a nice place. So Raleigh just told me that the movie Born Legacy was shot here in Marikina City. They shot for 3 days here. Had some motorcycle scenes and things like that. Pretty cool. Scored a seat in the front of this jeepney. And while we were talking movies, remember in the at the end of the hiking video that I did, I said that Raleigh was a stuntman and he was in the movie American Ninja. Well, he was just telling me that he was also a stuntman in Platoon, so another pretty big movie. I'm trying to get a whole list. He's a total movie buff. I'm not. So he beats me all the time. Do you know this movie? Do you know this movie? No. Off the second Jeep now, we're in Antipolo. They're asking for money, asking for donations. They don't give up very easily either. So this is Antipolo Cathedral Church, and very interesting. Raleigh was just telling me that every May, people come from many different countries and they make a walk, a big long walk from Cubao or from Rizal to here, and some of them carry crosses. They do it for Holy Week to honor, the sacrifice that Jesus made when he was crucified. Just got to Tanay Rizal, and now we're riding one of these fun tricycles, cramming people on here. said online it's going to be a challenging hike to the falls. Let's see how challenging it's going to be. It's really pretty so far though. Here's some falls. I don't know if these are the main falls, but we literally walked, I don't know, 50 yards or less. Not challenging. Okay, couldn't find a bathroom, so I found a spot over there. There's some stairs and stuff and a little area. Was able to change into my swimming trunks out in the open here. And luckily, no old ladies came up and screamed, and you know, I didn't scare anyone. So we're good. But me and Perry, we're gonna go swimming. Probably one of the whitest guys here. All right, my turn. The shot behind the falls.
Okay, very cool.
How is it, Perry?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Feels so good.
Yeah.
I love the Philippines.
from Manila or Manila? Manila, Philippines. Okay. See you later.
I can't see. Oh, with this one? Nahilo ako.
For some reason, I did not do an outro that day, so I've got to close the video out here. I went there, it was kind of towards the end of the dry season, so they hadn't gotten a lot of rain. So the waterfalls, they weren't really raging like I've seen in some of the pictures of those falls. And I'm kind of glad that I got to go when I did, because if they were raging like some of the pictures that I saw, I don't think I would have been able to climb up on the rocks and lay back in the waterfalls. That was awesome. I mean, I felt like I was in a Starburst commercial or something. That was really an unforgettable experience. That was my first time actually swimming in tropical waterfalls. Freaking amazing. I want to go back. I've got plenty more coming up from the Philippines. I've just got so much footage to go through and to edit and put together and all that. It's kind of taken a while, but something to look forward to. So until the next one, thanks again for watching, and when life gets you down, stand up and overcome. And go jump into a tropical waterfall. It will make you feel like a brand new person.